We all know about Amazon's FBA, fulfilled by Amazon functionality, where they hold your goods for you and then ship it out to our customers. But you can also opt to use something called a 3PL, third-party logistics company. So in this video, I want to show you exactly when you should be using a 3PL and when you absolutely shouldn't use a 3PL. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm going to help you build your own e-commerce business, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. We post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions at all, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's get into 3PL. We all hopefully understand the reasons that you would use FBA. It's easy. It's actually cheaper as well to use FBA. The postage is cheaper than what you could buy yourself. The storage is arguably cheaper than what you could buy yourself at a warehouse or a 3PL center. The SEO ranking improvement you get by being FBA is a plus. The buy box percentage that you'll get as a result of using FBA is increased. So if you've got anybody else selling a product, if two products are the same, the ASIN is the same, and one of them's FBA, one of them's FBM, typically the FBA product gets the buy box, okay? So that's the reasons for FBA, and then 3PL, which is called third-party logistics, which is just another way of saying not Amazon doing all that stuff for you, okay? It's not Amazon. So it's a private company holding your stock for you. As an order comes in, they go to your big pile of stuff, they pick one up, they put it in a box that you want them to put it into, they send it out. That's a 3PL, okay? Amazon does all that for you as two ways of doing it. So when would you not use FBA? First time I wouldn't is if I was doing something that was on a gray area or even on a little bit of a black hat area of Amazon. For instance, if I was doing a product insert that was a little bit iffy, a little bit dodgy, then I would not do FBA, because if they open your package and see that you've got this dodgy insert in your package, that ain't good. That'll get you in trouble. So if I'm doing something a little bit iffy, a little bit dodgy, a little bit black hat, I would absolutely use FBM, a 3PL, to do that. If you want more control over the process. So an example of that is the dog food business that we're launching. We're going to use a 3PL to send the stuff out. The reason for that is we want to control how the package goes to the customer, what box it goes in. We want to have control, okay? So that's why if you want more control over that process, you need a 3PL for that. If you want to customize that process, handwritten notes, for instance, or hand-wrapped packages for Christmas, for instance, then you'll need a 3PL to do that, okay? So that's going to be important. If you want to get your customers' data, their name and their address, so that you've got the customer then you need a 3PL for that, okay? And then I'll invariably get asked, who should I use? This is FBA Prep Services Australia.com. This is Richard Aston's business. Richard's a legend, super cool dude. If you say you're in AOE, you get a discount. That's very, very nice. So you could use him for your 3PL services. Another good company that I have used is PickPack. These are great at the beginner to intermediate level of sales. Very, very good at those levels. They will also do quite a lot of the prep for you. Very, very slick system on the back end, what you can tie into. Cool company. So PickPack, they're at pickpack.com.au. And then NP fulfillment. These are a bit of a Mac daddy. So you'd use these as your business was growing and you wanted to scale. If you wanted to send out a shitload of stuff, NP fulfillment, very, very good. They've got much more capacity on hand to really scale out a business. And they're also over in the USA as well. I just noticed that. I didn't know that about that before, but looks like they've expanded into the US of A. Hey, there's Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.